I'm back for a quick update. I just cleaned out and re-greased these old fittings. I know I had a bit of noise and vibration when I just had some WD-40 put on there for a quick lube. But now with these things on, the grease is drawn right up in there perfect. I've heard a lot of modern blowers a lot louder and more rattly than this thing. I am supremely impressed with this wonderful piece of old technology. Max speed, this thing is amazing, the force it puts out. Anyway, just thought I'd give everybody a quick update. Appreciate it.